Lily wanted to help me chain down the tractor. So we'll come out here, get this old girl chained down, ready to go on a little trip. Come on, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around. Ain't that right, Lillard? That's fresh dug up dirt, ain't it, Lily? Good stuff. She said, you dug this hole without me? Had the mini X out here and I couldn't even be a part of it? Look at all this red clay I can get in the house and just tear it up and bring this red clay everywhere. Lillard, get out of that red clay. So apparently Lily wanted to operate the tractor today. She's up here just bulling. Come on. Let's get this thing strapped down. Oh, she's off the trailer. Oh, she's back on. She's quick with it. Come on, Lily, let's go. So I picked up this stuff. I think it's for like a furnace return, something like that, decorative. I don't know, I got it from Lowe's. I'm gonna go ahead and get it to fit this doggone grill right now. We just kind of got it all finished, had to remove the mount, or latch mount, being that he has not had the tractor once, and that was the only thing we had to move. Very nice. Took out this here, and I actually cut this thing up, and then mount this light bar. It ain't nothing fancy, just a little, what do you call it, doggone tractor supply special for the old tractor. So this is, like I said, what we're using on the grill surface. It's all painted up right now, drying. The grill will be black, and then this will be Chevy orange to match this paint. Upper grill, lower grill. It's going to be inlaid behind this. Got one coat of paint on here. Flies are tearing it up. The mosquitoes stuck in it. But a little windy today, so we're working with what we can. Got a little overspray on my black, but it's that effect I was going for. It's what I can tell people. Got the traveler light bar in there. Got the grill pieces inserted, put together. Looks good. So I'm actually thinking about matching this gray on there. The bins are a little, like I said, he made all of this. He made that without ever seeing the tractor. Never seen it. He made this, and I can't complain. But I forgot this was gray, and this was gray. So I'll probably run a tape line, paint some gray in it. The grill looks good in black. Yeah, got that doggone light in there. Look all right. So on this grill, I had bolts ran through here the other way, threads coming out, and now I've got a washer that will not fit over the shank of this bolt. I ran it through the actual threads with an impact and then put a nut on here. These are stout now. I'm gonna knock the heads off of them, and those will be my drop pins. It'll be just a smooth pin rather than something threaded, so it doesn't tear up the grommet. And then I got to throw gray on here, and up there by the light, I forgot that was gray. So she's all orange, but we'll just add some gray to it. So the grinder made quick work of these bolt heads. Took them right off. Focus maybe? Whatever. But it took the bolt heads straight off this thing, quick and easy. Put a small taper on them. Now these things are stout, let me tell you. So let's get it on there, get some tape lines marked out, and throw some gray on it. And I'm not sure yet. I think I kind of like the silver. Some pop rivets. So I might paint them, might not. I don't know. So it's not a very nice tape job, but it's functional. Now let's throw some gray on it. Come on. All right, gray it goes. Someone better not swap these doggone cans. It's a lot lighter than it should be. Looks lighter at least. Nice orange peel going on. Do this in a couple coats, just put some on here. Oh, don't run on me. Went a little heavy right there. I'll let this flash over before I hit it with another coat. I don't know if I got that on the video right before I ended it. It was falling and then it fell. So tore up the paint. Not very happy with that. But we just gonna paint it some more. Be all right. Yeah, so being that that thing fell, if it was going on one of my own rigs, I'd actually, if it wasn't going on one of my own rigs, I'd actually care a little bit and I would strip it down, start over. But being that it's on my own unit, I don't care. So you can barely make out them lines right there. I say it's a lot better than what we was working with right here. Hang on, folks. This thing's fouled up. Multiple spots. So it's seen its day. They want like 900 bucks for this thing. My lower is in good shape, so I might try and sell it. Upper, junk. But yeah, if anyone needs the lower portion of this thing, case of beer and it's yours, you know? So I've got some color on it. Come on around. Kind of flows. Look pretty good now. Looks good before, but not bad. I guess we'll fire this whole girl up. See how much ruckus it makes, if it vibrates too bad or not. But let's see. I think I fixed the wiring. We'll have to check it and see if it's gonna work or not. Where's that key at? There it is. Not bad. There's that light. I ain't trying to drive this thing tonight. I just wanted to have a light on it if I needed to load it up, or if a doggone tree fell down or something. That way I'd have some sort of light on it, be able to use it. I just noticed my doggone brush hog is growing grass. Come on, man. So it's dark. We'll walk out here. I'm pretty sure that's a bobcat or whatever the fuck they got in Alabama. But we'll come over here. Granted, it's a little lighted over here in front. But let's see what we're working with. I just gotta be able to find key, hole, key on, power on. Watch out now. Looks good now. Oh yeah. That thing's done up. OEM quality. Whatever that thing is, it ain't happy. I'm out here just trying to show you an update on the light at night. That thing's just making a doggone ruckus. Go figure it stops. Old girl didn't want to be in the backyard no more, so she come on up here. Where you going? Oh.